Good evening to all. Today we are going to discuss reaction of carbonyl compounds with ammonia derivatives. Now consider the general representation of ammonia derivatives as NH2Z. Now in those derivatives nitrogen is there as derivative is of ammonia, and nitrogen bear lone pair of electrons. Now carbonyl compounds, I mean aldehydes and ketones, react with ammonia derivatives in slightly acidic medium, producing imine products. I mean the result of the reaction is an imine. Now take a look how this happens. Now during the course of reaction, what happens? Carbonyl group, which can be given as this is the carbonyl group. We know very well oxygen bear lone pair of electrons. Now in very first step what happens? Protonation takes place. Now proton attacks the electron rich oxygen, and due to which what happens? Protonation of this takes place, so lead to the formation of an intermediate which may be given as. Now at this point what happens? Oxygen attracts this pair of electrons, leading to the positive charge at the carbon. Now at this stage what happens? The ammonia derivative, which contain nitrogen for sure, this attacks on the carbon, which happens to be the electron deficient. Now electron deficient carbon get added to that side, and this lead to the formation of an intermediate which may be shown as. Now this is the intermediate. Now at this point this intermediate loses proton. Now this nitrogen keeps electron pair towards itself, and thereby departure of proton takes place, and leading to the formation of an intermediate product which may be shown as. Now at this point departure of water takes place. Now look, oxygen keeps this pair with itself, and this electron pair of NH bond is attracted by nitrogen and shared like this, and thereby departure of water takes place, and on departure of water a newly formed product which can be given as, this is nothing but the imine product. So carbonyl compounds react with the ammonia derivatives in this manner, producing imine product. Now let's see some of the examples of such type. So first of all, reaction with hydrazine, when carbonyl compounds are treated with hydrazine in weakly acidic medium. Remember, all these reactions are needed to be carried out in acidic medium. Then departure of water takes place, and this is also to be noted that in every reaction water get departed. I mean departure of water takes place compulsorily, leading to the formation of imine. So right here departure of water takes place, and that lead to the formation of imine product which can be given as, and this is called as corresponding hydrazone. Now second thing is reaction with hydroxylamine. So hydroxylamine can be written as, when hydroxylamine is treated with carbonyl compound, either aldehyde or ketone in acidic medium, then also departure of water in this way takes place, and now that lead to the formation of an imine product which is popularly known as oxime. Now third very important thing is reaction with primary amine. So primary amines can be given as, when primary amines are treated with carbonyl compound in acidic medium, then also departure of water takes place, and on account of which this product is obtained, which is called as chips base. So this is chips base, Now another thing, when carbonyl compounds are treated with phenylhydrazine, that is NH2 NHC6H5 in acidic medium, then also departure of water can be shown in this manner and lead to the formation of an NHC6H5 along with water. This is corresponding phenylhydrazone. Now next very important thing is reaction with 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine. So this is a carbonyl group. When treated with 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine, which may be given as, so this is the 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine when treated in acidic medium, then also departure of water takes place in this manner. This lead to the formation of imine product, and that imine may be given as, and this imine so obtained on departure of water is called as 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazone. And next, another very important thing is reaction with semi-carbazide. Now this is semi-carbazide when treated with carbonyl compounds in ultimately acidic medium, then departure of water takes place and that lead to the formation of a product which can be given as, and this is called as corresponding semi-carbazone. So these are few examples of this type, and bottom line is aldehydes or ketones react with ammonia derivative producing amine product. Thank you very much.